What's up guys and welcome back to Moon Investments. A couple of weeks ago I posted on my X account that I sold my AMD shares after a solid one. I had an average cost of $95 and sold at my price target of $165. That gave me a profit of 14,737 on my 20k position. That's a total profit around 73.7% in profit. But here's the thing guys, after I sold my AMD shares, the stock kept climbing. It went all the way up to almost $180 per share. So yeah, a lot of people are asking, did I sell my AMD shares too early? Let me break it down to you. So guys, let me break down my AMD trade. I bought into AMD with an average cost of $95 per share. That was when the stock looked undervalued, the market sentiment was down and long-term fundamentals were strong. I set a price target of $165. That wasn't just a random number. I was looking at technical resistance levels, past price behavior, and set a realistic valuation. So when the price hit that level, I pulled the trigger. I had 20k in and walked away with nearly 15k in profit. The trade went exactly how I planned it. I didn't try to time the absolute top. I executed based on a predefined plan, and that's how you win in the long term guys. So after I sold my position, AMD kept running. It hit $180 per share shortly after. Obviously I saw that and thought, could I have waited even more? But here's what happened next guys. The price dropped back to around $160 per share, and that's how the market works. There are always short-term moves, FOMO rallies and small corrections. But what really matters is, did you stick to your plan? Trying to predict the exact top is a losing game, and honestly, I'm not here to gamble, I'm here to build wealth with discipline. So my biggest lesson from this trade is profit is profit. I could have gotten greedy and held for even more profit, but I didn't. I stuck to the plan, executed cleanly, and walked away with a big win. Most traders fumble the bag by chasing an extra 5 to 10% in profit. They either panic when the price dips, hold too long and watch their gains disappear, or re-enter too late and lose their hard-earned money. This trade was all about respecting my own target, not chasing more. Because guess what? Even if I sold too early, I made over 14 grand in profit. That's a huge win. If you want to succeed in the long term, you gotta develop the mindset of taking your wins, learning from every trade and focusing on the next opportunity in the market. So guys, did I sell my AMD too early? Maybe, but do I regret it? Not at all. Discipline beats emotion every time. Let me know in the comments, are you still holding AMD or did you take profits just like me? If you liked this breakdown, smash the like button down below and subscribe to Moon Investments. Don't forget to follow my X account and my Instagram account, linked down below as well. See you in the next video guys, bye bye.